Yes, let us start. Yes, Java. Yes, 11:45 a.m. Yes, day one. See, yesterday just to demo given. Nothing discussed yesterday. Just introduction only discussed. Just introduction only discussed. Yes. See, yesterday first day. Just about me discussed. About course. Prerequisite to learn Java course contents. What next after finishing course? For whom this is recommended? Yes, about me, I think need not repeat it. Yes, I think some new guys are there today. Yes, yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, 23 years of experience. Yes, well-known trainer in the market. So my area of experience, this is Linux admin, Big Data Hadoop Java. Yes, currently working for this company, Tech Private Limited, Core Solution Architect for Big Data Hadoop and Java projects. My badge, I take 142. It means ID this is. Totally 18 projects completed. Out of 18 projects, first two projects in embedded C, 1999. 12 projects on Java, 2000 till date. 4 projects on Hadoop. 19 project, current project on Java. For Volkswagen client now currently, ERP solutions projects. My education 93 to 97. Now presently work from home. Work from home. Okay. Yes, after finishing your class, I have to start office work. Okay. So this is about me. Okay, a lot of experience in development as well teaching also. Yes, about course Java. Course is course Java. Yes, duration 3 months. Yes, course is course Java. Yes, duration 3 months. Yes, sessions. Number of sessions 75. Hello. Yeah, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Yes, about course. Course is course Java. Duration 3 months. 1 second, you guys. See, if anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Rejoin. If anyone unable to hear me, rejoin the session. If anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin. Rejoin. Simple solution. Rejoining. Rejoining is a simple solution. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, rejoin. I think some guys are in offline. Some guys are in offline. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin. Rejoin. Yeah, fine. If anyone unable to hear me, rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Yeah, I hope everyone is online. Yeah, fine. Good. Well and good. Well and good. So yesterday, first day. Yesterday, first day. Yesterday, this is yesterday's session. I'm repeating yesterday's session. Yesterday about me, next about course, prerequisite and course content. These things expand. Introductions, all the introductions yesterday discussed. Yes, about me. This about me. Okay. So this about me. Yes, of course I'll share this day one session. I'll share. Okay. Yes. Next about course. See, day one session, yeah, this notepad file will share to your Gmail ID. Don't worry. Today attendees, for all the attendees, I'll share to your Gmail ID. You can see that. Course is Core Java. Duration 3 months. Number of sessions 75 to 78. Yes, 115 hours. Plus, see, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, dedicatedly taking, rare case giving holidays. Sometimes even I'm not feeling well, I'll take the class. That is my dedication. Yes, even I can show the proof also. Whatever the whichever the class I'm taking, strictly I'll be taking, no doubt. Holidays rare case. Recently completed batch 8:30 a.m. Yes, 8:30 a.m. batch. See that. 6th September started. Okay. 5th December ending. Yes. 5th December, 6th September. Exactly 3 months. 3 months or 78 sessions. That's it. Not in this batch. What are batch I'm taking here? Sometimes I'm taking Linux also. Sometimes even Linux are the same. Linux 2 months duration. Yes, around 51 to 52 sessions. Linux. Okay, like that. Yes. So strictly, no doubt. Holidays rare case, rare after rare case. Only Sunday holiday. Session duration 1 hour and 30 minutes. 90 minutes. Time 11:45, 1:15. Strictly, no doubt. 3 to 4 demo classes free of cost without paying fees. Yes, today starting actual classes. Yes, tomorrow means today. Today starting actual classes. Yes, actual classes also I can attend free of cost for 3 days, 3 classes. Fees 5,000 only. Certificate also provided. After finishing course, just you can call me. Yes, yes, I can make the arrangement for the certificates. Certificate, course complete certificates. Yes, daily recordings. Share your Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. Yes, 1 year validity. 1 year validity. Yes, recordings, class documents, JDK and Eclipse, all the sharing can with you. Okay. Yes, class document. This is your class document. Yes, today morning batch collection framework taken. Yesterday also same collection framework important topic. Almost more than 1 week topic. This is so morning batch, morning 8:30 batch. This is open already. Yes, this is your class document. 655 page document for you and this is this doc 560 pages. This document for you only. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Is recording already. I'll share to your Google Drive. You Suresh Buddhal, right? Yeah, you are a old student. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, sure, sure, definitely, no problem. Okay. Yes, that 560 page document. Yeah, this is for you only. Yes, for you only this document. In this document, the class documents, yes, running notes is not necessary. You can follow document. Running notes is not all required. Running notes not at all required here. So not at all required. Just to follow the document. Follow the document. Every point explained very clearly. Every point very clearly explains. Yes, in this document, interview questions are there. Next, around 300 programs I have prepared. 300 programs I have prepared. Okay, these things, right? Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Anyone can understand. Okay. Yes, I'll be starting from basics. Finally taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing course, you can put up experience as 3 to 4 years. That is guarantee from my side. The thing is, you have to practice every day. Practice is very, very important. Here, practice is very, very important. So this is about prerequisites. Prerequisite. Yes, course contents. Today, in today topic, I will explain. Yeah, these course contents are covering today topic. In today topic, I will be covering. Okay. Yes, so yesterday, first day. Yesterday, first day. Yes, today, second day. Now let us start second day. Yes, day 2. 11:45, day 2. Yes, saving. So still, if anyone unable to hear me, yes, please rejoin session. Yes, day 2. Yes, today actual classes starting. Today actual classes. Today actual classes start. Let us start. Java. Let us start Java. Yes, let us see about Java introduction, Java history, and what is present position of Java, what is feature of Java. All this we'll discuss today. Yes, that history, Java history. Now presently, what is situation, Java situation, what's a feature. So what is happening in market about Java, that all this we'll discuss today. See, first point, some question for you guys. Some question. Yes, what is Java? Yes. Anyone idea? But of course, I'll explain. Of course, I will explain. Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java? What is Java? Of course, I'll explain. Just I'm asking your idea. What is your idea? What is Java? Yes, Chandra Reddy, it's a language. Suresh, it's a software. Next. Any others? Suresh, language. Saying that language. What is Java exactly? Simple answer. What is Java? Means simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Simple answer. What is Java means? Java is a OOPS language. Java is a OOP language. Java is an OOP language. OOP means object-oriented programming. That OOP stands for, yes, OOP stands for objects, yes, oriented. Objects oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. Okay. What is Java? Simple answer. Okay, Java is an OOP language. Okay, Java is an OOP language. OOP means object-oriented programming. Okay, so this Java is an object-oriented programming. Fine. Okay. Yes. Simple answer. What is Java means? Simple answer. Simple answer is Java is an OOP language. C. JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development. JDK, Java software. JDK is a Java software. Java software is a JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Okay. So JDK from the Sunsoft. Yes, now it is with Oracle Corporation. It is with Oracle. It is with Oracle Corp. Okay. Yes, JDK. JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes. Fine. See, JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of it's a first version of Java. Okay, JDK basically from the sons of, now it is the Oracle Corporation. That history also I'll explain. JDK 1.0. Yes, it is a first version of Java. First version of Java released. Yes, first version of Java released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0 is a first version. Yes, JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. First version of Java released in the year 1995. See, 1995. What you are doing that time? What you are doing before your birth? I think. Okay. Yes, 1995. It's before your birth, right? Am I correct? Yes, 1995 before your birth. Okay. See, 1995. Yes, what I was doing that time. Yes, I was in engineering second year. Engineering second year. Engineering second year. Second year. Okay. Yes. Computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. Yes. Computer science engineering JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, even I can show our group also. JNT group. Hyderabad JNT group. Create WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group created by, yes, all of our old students. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Let me start this. Open WhatsApp. Yes, computer science engineering JNTU Hyderabad. Yes. Yes, 1993 to 1997. Yes, immediately got the job. At that time, yes, I was in engineering second year. Yes, I was learning 1995. That time I was learning C language. I was learning, I was learning C language. Second year we had the C language. I was learning C language that time. C language. Yes, C language and Windows OS. Working on Windows OS. That time we had the Windows 1.0 version, I think 1.2 version. Yes, I was learning C language that time. 1995. Yes, I was doing engineering. So first version of JDK. This is GNTH Hyderabad. That old students group. All that old students group. Okay. Yes, I'm an old student of that JNT, that university. Yes, campus. Otherwise, they will not add the group. Okay, they will verify and creating add it to group. So 1997, 93 to 97 is my engineering. Okay, leave it. Yes. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. So before releasing Java, already I was in software field. I know every version of Java. I worked with every version of Java. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.0. See, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, released with released with main features, released with main features as below. See, JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. So main features. First one, yes, independent of platform. First one, independent of platform. Okay, second one, portability. Yes, portability. Independent of platform, portability. Independent of platform, portability. Yes, next. Yes, object-oriented programming language. Yes, next. independent platform, portability, object-oriented programming language, scalability. Yes, fifth one, security. Yes, with these features, okay, independent platform, portability, object-oriented programming language, scalability, and security. Yes, we'll discuss all the features. One by one, I'll explain. Okay, one by one, we'll discuss about all the features. Okay, so we'll discuss. We'll discuss next. Yes, that is JDK 1.0 released with main features. They are JDK 1.0, first version of Java main features. Okay, next after that, JDK 1.1. Yes, released. Yes, released. Yes, released in the year 1996. 1996. Next year, 1996. JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1. Yes, this is JDK 1.1. Sums of they have divided JDK 1.1 into 3 editions. So it is divided into 3 editions. It is divided into 3 editions. First one, yes, Java Standard Edition JSE, just called as JTSE. Okay, so why called as JTSE? Second version. First version is 1.0. First version 1. Second version 1.1. It's the second version of Java. That's the reason J2 means second version. JTSE. Here this is Java Standard Edition. So JSE, Java Standard Edition. Yes, initially Java only 3 editions. Later fourth one added. Yes, we'll discuss that. Java Standard Edition. Next Java Enterprise Edition. JEE. Java Enterprise J2W. Java Enterprise Edition. So Java Enterprise. Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. So J2E. Java Enterprise Edition. JTE Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. Yes. After this, next JME. Yes, JME Java Mobile Edition here. Yes, JME Java JTME. Yes, it's a mobile edition. This is mobile edition. Java Mobile Edition. So initially Java released. Yes, with this initially Java released 1 in 1.1. In 1.1 divided into 3 editions. Standard edition, enterprise edition, mobile edition. This 1.1. Yes, after that next JDK. Yes, 1.2 released here. Next 1.3, next 1.4, next 1.5, next 1.6, next 1.7, next 1.8. Yes, 1.8 from this calling as Java 8. Next Java 9. Okay, next Java 11. Yes, Java 13. Yes, we'll discuss all the versions. Okay, all these versions one by one discuss here. Out of all this, most important one is JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. This is most important version here. JDK 1.5. Okay, released in the year yes 2004. Yes, JDK 1.5 released in year 2005. Sorry, 2004. Released in the year 2004. Yes, I know very well every version with release dates. I can because I have live experience with every version. Live experience. Yes, released in the year 2004. Yes, in this version, yes, many features were added here. Many features were added in this version. Many features were added in this version here. In this version, yes, even fourth edition. So one more edition. Yes, fourth edition. One more edition. Fourth edition called JFX means Java effects. Java effects also added in this version here. Java effects also added, added in this version here. In this version. JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. Yes, in this version, many features were added, major changes were done. Most popular. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. It is called Tiger version. Tiger version. Called as Tiger version. Yes, most important version this is. Okay. Yes, many features were added in this version here. Yes, one more edition. Yes, one more edition. Yes, one more edition. Fourth edition called JFX, Java FX, also added in this version. Okay, so finally here, finally Java divided into four editions. Finally, Java divided into four editions here. These three editions, and fourth one, FX, JFX. Okay, no, this is not calling a JTFX because these are in second version of Java. Second version of Java, that is reason called as J2, JTSE, J2W, JTME, but JFX only this is. Yes, Java FX. So JFX called Java FX. Okay. Yes, what's the purpose of what is SE, what is enterprise, what is mobile, what is FX? We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Yes, here with JDK, see, with JDK 1.5, with JDK 1.5, yes, Java got the success. Yes. With JDK 1, with these features here, with JDK 1.5 features, Java got the success finally here. Finally, Java got success. With JDK 1.5 features here, finally, yes, finally, Java got the success. Yes, how many years it was taken to become success? Java to become success. How many years? See, JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. See, when first version of Java? Yes, 1995. 1995 to 2004. Almost it was taken for 10 years. Yes, almost it was taken for 10 years. Almost taken for 10 years. 10 years means very long period, right? Yes, 10 years. See, even you guys also working for 10 years, you'll get the success automatically. Maybe any field, software field or mechanical field or civil field, any field, 10 years experience, very good experience. Okay. See, at the time of choosing field itself, choose the correct field. Correct field means a trending field. Choose always trending fields and long-lasting career. Long-lasting career and trending field. Choose it here and you can start your career. So best is software field. In software field, trending, Java always in trend only here. Java always in trending here and long-lasting career. Never-ending Java. See, since more than 20 years, I'm traveling Java. Okay. Yes, never faced anything in Java here. Yes, happily I'm traveling Java here. Okay. So with Java experience started Hadoop career also. Yes, Hadoop particular Java based. Yes, many Java based tools are there in market. In market, many Java based tools are available here. Okay. Yes, see, 60% of tools are Java based tools. If you're good at Java, you can work with any technology. If you're good at Java, you can work with any technology. Okay. Yes, fine. So JDK 1.5. So finally Java got success. Now let us see here. What is Java's foundation? Java's foundation. Yeah, this is Java technology. This is Java technology. This is Java technology. This is Java technology. Yeah, these are our course. Yes, you learning Java technology now. Learning of Java technology. Okay. Yes, Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a framework. Yes, it's a application development app. Yes, app development part. It's a app development. It's a app development. It's a app development. Application development. See, all the frameworks, all frameworks. Yes, what is framework? Today we'll discuss. All the frameworks comes on this category. All frameworks in this category. Application development using different Java frameworks. Yes, today I'll tell you what is framework, what are the Java frameworks we'll discuss. So next one is mobilization. Mobilization. Yes, mobilization. This is mobile app. Yes, mobile apps development. Yes, this area Java code. Java code. Yes, Java. Industry not using Java. For mobile application development, industry using Android. Android. Android is a leader. Android is a leader in this area. So Android best recommended to use in mobile application development. Java is poor. Okay. Yes, next effects. Java effects. Java effects. This is for the visual effects. Visual. Yes, visual effects. This is for visual effects. Yes, visual effects in movies. Movies are yes, videos, any video. Yes, maybe movies, maybe short films, or maybe your some events, videos like that. Visual effects. See, this area also Java is poor. Java is poor. Yes, for visual effects, nowadays industry, the film industry, or any that industry using Premiere software. Premiere, most popular Premiere software. Premiere software. Most Premiere software from the Adobe company. Yes, Premiere software, Maya software. Very old one Maya software. Even Maya software also using. Maya software has many features. Okay. Yes, industry using these two softwares. So this area Java is not recommended. Java is not using in this area. In this area. Now exactly where Java using. Let us see. Java standardization. It's a Java technology. Java standardization is a Java technology. Java technology. Yeah, this is our syllabus. Java standardization, this is our syllabus. Yes, one second. Yes, yesterday already typed. Just by wasting of all that again typing. Yesterday typed and expand. Just I'll copy and paste. Just this one. Yeah, that is morning batch topic. Yeah, this is Java standardization. So this is our course. Yes. Course core Java. Yes, in the first core part of Java, all the Java fundamentals. Yes, here learning all the Java fundamentals. Java fundamentals, all the fundamentals. Here learning all the fundamentals. All the fundamentals. Okay. All the fundamentals like data types, operators, control statements, and Java about Java language syntax and all that here. See control statement like if statements, which case, while loop, do while, for loop. They are the Java fundamentals. This area will be discussing 100 programs. Exactly, even more than 100 also discussing. See logic based programming. This is completely logic based. Special focus on improving logics and programming skills. Yes, it's a 1 month. This whole topic is I'm focusing for 1 month. 1 month. Okay. Yes, once you good at programming here, once you powerful in this programming, just then moving to Java features. Okay. Yes, exactly. More than 100 programs explaining. Just you ask your friends, any who attended my batch, just ask them. More than 100 programs covered. See, whatever I'm promising here, everything I'll explain very clearly. Every promise, definitely. Okay. Saying words are different, real is different. Yes, I never saying words. See, more than what I'm promising, I will cover. Yes, yes, more than our expectations. Yes, your syllabus, my way of explanation, reaching more than our expectations. Yes, Java features next. Yes, encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading, constructors, inheritance, method overriding, access spares, access modifiers, abstract classes, interface, polymerization, package, and garbage collection things. These are another 1 month. Yes, 1 month is not necessary, 25 days enough. This oops area, 25 days enough. Next, after finishing oops, actual topic starting. Actually means project related concepts here. All project related concepts like string, how to strings, string tokenizer, string buffer, string builder, these things. Next, wrapper classes, how to use wrapper classes. Next, exception handling here, collect, collections concepts here, data structures. Yes, this list, queue, set, map. Yes, for morning batch now currently I'm explaining collections. Since last 1 week is going on, this is more than 1 week I'll explain collections. Very, very important this is. See, iOS teams, file handling. See, combination of collections and files will discuss one real-time project. Combination of these two collections and iOS teams will discuss one real-time project. File handling like text files, CSV files, Excel files, XML, JSON files, different formats. See, I worked every format of the file because of Hadoop. In Hadoop different formats of files of getting here. Hadoop basically is from Java only, Java framework Hadoop. Okay. Yes. Next, after networking, TCP one-to-one communication, UDP one-to-many communication. Yes, in this we'll discuss one chatting application like WhatsApp kind of chatting application. I'll explain one live project I'll explain here. This is also broadcasting both. Next, multi-threading. After multi-threading, yes, version-wise features. Up to version 13, up to Java 8, Java 11. Yes, more focus on 8 and 9. Yes, more focus on Java 8 and 9 features. Java 8 and 9 features. Yeah, this is very important. Industry using Max and Java 8. Some companies using Java 9. Yes, in our company, yes, in our office, we are using Java 9. Yes, in our current project, we are using Java 9. Okay. Yes, next 11 and 13 also will be covered. Okay. Yes, totally 300 programs. Yes. Complete course. Complete course, totally 300 programs. You'll get it here. Okay. Yes. So this is about standard edition. Now let us go to enterprise edition. About enterprise edition. Okay, enterprise is the app development area. Application development. Edition is the application development. App development. All the frameworks comes in this category. So what are the Java frameworks here? See, Java frameworks. Java framework. Yes, what is framework? I'll explain. Wait. I'll explain. First Java framework, Struts framework. Struts framework. Yes, this is outdated already. No one using this is old framework, outdated. Okay. Next is Spring. Yes, hot. This is Spring framework. Yes, evergreen framework. This is Spring framework. Yes, next. Yes, Spring Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Spring framework. Hibernate framework. Yes, next. Yes, Hadoop framework. Hadoop also part of Java frameworks. Yes, if you know the Java and Linux, that is Hadoop. That's it. Hadoop is very simple. If you know Linux and Java, that is Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework. Yes, Hadoop framework. Yes, next. Yes, Spark. Spark is the next generation of Java. Generation of Hadoop. Spark framework. Spark framework. Okay, next latest framework, sir. Yes, Spring Boot, and microservices. Their latest frameworks. Okay. Yes. Here exactly what is framework here? What is a framework? See, what is exactly framework? See, framework is a ready-made one. Ready-made one. Framework is ready-made one. Ready to use. Ready to use. Yes, ready to use. Without writing any code. Without writing code. without writing code. Without writing code. Here, advantage of framework is we can edit the code. Yes, all predefined classes available in frameworks. All predefined classes available. Predefined. All predefined classes available. Okay, well-developed classes. Okay, well-developed classes. Predefined classes available here. Already tested classes. Without any bugs, perfectly working class. That code is already our predefined class available. For example, database. For example, database codes. In Java application writing database code is around 50 to 60 lines code. Like loading driver, connect to database, yes, execute sending query, executing query, getting results, and processing results here. All that around 50 to 60 lines validation. Next, using some exception handling and all this validation, all 50 to 60 lines. But using Hibernate framework, you can avoid that code. Hibernate code. Hibernate. Okay, Hibernate framework. Yes. Hibernate. It's a yes. It's a predefined. It's a predefined. Yes, predefined. Predefined database code. Database code. That is for everything. Suppose working with the database, that Hibernate classes you can use. In Hibernate, some predefined class available. So this 50 to 60 lines of code is not necessary. Okay. Suppose, for example, Java app. For example, Java app. Java app. Yes, working some emails. Suppose delivering emails. Yes, email code is available. The class is for SMTP coding. SMTP coding is available. Okay, so TCP applications, TCP coding. Yes, like this different predefined classes available. Using that classes, take that classes, plug into your projects. Take the predefined classes, take all the predefined classes, you can plug in the project, you can rebuild the project here. Just building project. Okay, take all predefined classes, plug into just to plug in and build the projects. So within a short time you can finish. See, I'll tell you one best example. To understand framework, I will tell you one example. Suppose, for example, bridges construction. How they are constructing here? Yes, in old days, how they have constructed here. Yes, first raising pillars, raising all the pillars. Next, laying bridge on the pillars, right? Laying bridge on the pillars. That is old concept. Yes, that old, very old age. Yes, bridge construction taking a lot of time. Years together, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Even small bridge also minimum 1 year. But nowadays, what is happening here? Nowadays, simply just raising pillars. Okay. On top of pillars, what are they doing here? On top of pillars, just assembling blocks. Ready-made blocks available nowadays. Bridges construction, ready-made blocks available. Just their assembling blocks, ready-made blocks available. Just observe it. Observe nowadays bridges here. Bridges construction, all the blocks they are assembling here. They're assembling blocks on top of pillars. The bridge finishing within short time. See, last year COVID period in Hyderabad, more than 5 to 6 bridges constructed. Yes, here in the Gachibowli area. But Gachibowli area, 3 bridges were constructed on different areas. Yes, in Hyderabad. Yes, COVID period. Yes, that time no traffic. It's a curfew environment. At that time, they utilized that time. Yes, TS government utilized that time and constructed bridges. Right? How they are able to finish bridges within short time because of that assembling blocks. So ready-made blocks available. Yes, exactly. Framework is like that. Framework exactly like that. Same. So ready-made class available in frameworks, ready-made classes, predefined class available here. Okay, for every code, predefined class is available. For every code, predefined class is available. We can take that. Okay, suppose for example, Excel data parsing, predefined class available for Excel parsing, XML parsing, CSV data parsing, different kind of things, different classes available, predefined classes readily available. Take that class, plug it into projects, and you can build the projects. Within short time, you can finish the project here. See what is the advantage of framework here. See advantage of frameworks. Advantage of frameworks. See advantage of framework here. Advantage. First advantage, we can reduce the code. First point, we can reduce the code. Yes, we can reduce code. First point, we can reduce code. Advantage of framework, we can reduce code here. We can reduce code here. Yes, next. Yes, we can reduce time of development. We can reduce time of development. Time of development. Time of development. We can reduce time of development. Okay, next word. Yes, we can reduce resources. We can reduce the Java resources. Much resource not required here because already predefined. Suppose every code, if you're writing on your own, every code writing with Java developers, many developers required. Manually developing every code, many developers, but using frameworks here, much coding is not necessary. Predefined coding is available. Yes, next we can reduce the time of development. Within short time, we can finish project. Within short time. Next, we can reduce Java resource, means Java employees. We can reduce. Okay. Next, one more here. Easy to maintain the projects. Easy to maintain. That means here, easy to maintain means, see, after developing projects, release into client location. At client location is getting some issues. Yes, getting some bugs. Yeah, that bug fixing is nothing but maintenance. So that is maintenance. Bug fixing, live bug fixing is a maintenance. Yes, here in frameworks here already all are predefined class, ready-made classes. We are using ready-made classes, means well-developed classes. Those are tested classes, already tested. Experts. The framework developed by the experts. Framework classes were developed by experts. Suppose every code you developed. Suppose if you developed every code, what happens here? Yes, because of lack of experience. With lack of experience here, maybe chance of generating lot of bugs. Yes, in live, with lack of experience, develop some code. That code may be generating lot of bugs in live. Okay, right? Suppose if it is frameworks here, yes, that is well developed code by the experts. So bugs are very less number of bugs getting here. So easy to maintain. So easy to maintain. That maintenance easy. Bugs are very less, means easy to maintain. That is advantage of frameworks. That is advantage of frameworks. Now let us see. Now these different frameworks using where Spring and Hibernate framework. See, first Spring and Hibernate framework. The Spring and Hibernate framework. Yeah, these are for internet-based applications. So these are for internet-based applications, internet-based apps. Okay. See, 90% of 90% of internet-based apps developed in Java. Presently markets developed in Java. 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java. Okay. Yes, next. So this is Spring and Hibernate frameworks here. Internet-based applications like online trading applications. Online trading, maybe shopping, online shopping or food delivery apps. Yes, like banking applications, net banking applications. Next, banking internal applications. Yes, school and college maintenance, that applications here. Companies maintenance here. That applications. Okay, all are developed in Java only here. 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java. Yes, next one more thing here. Yes. Yes, here Hadoop and Spark. What's the purpose of these frameworks here? Hadoop and Spark. These are the big data frameworks. Hadoop and Spark. Spark. So these frameworks are to store and process big data. To store and process big data. Yes, to store and process big data. Okay. So big data, yes. See, since 2010, since 2010, yes, industry facing big data challenges. Industry facing big data challenges. Big data challenges. Okay, even the challenges also you can overcome with Java. Challenges. Okay, big data challenges. Big data challenges. Okay, big data challenges like storage and processing here. Storage, big data storage, storage and processing. Yes, big data main challenge, storing huge amount of data. How to store huge, like terabytes of data, petabytes of data. How to process that much of data? Big data processing for that Hadoop and Spark. Spark is a next generation of Hadoop. Spark is a next generation of Hadoop here. Big data challenges using these frameworks. For internet-based applications using these frameworks. Okay. See, yes, in Java, what was happened here? See, by the year, by the year 2010. See, by the year 2010 here, 90%, not 90, 95% is almost, yes, 90, yes, around 90% is 90% of existing app. Yes, 90% of existing apps, existing applications were migrated Java. Yes, this is my live experience. I'm saying this. I have seen. Okay. Yes, see what I'm explaining. This is all my experience. See, most of the trainers, they will, yes, they will copy from the Google, they will explain you. They have to read and explain. No, for me, it's not necessary here. This is my experience. I have seen everything. Every version of Java, I have the real experience. Okay. Yes. See, by the year 2010, yes, 90% of existing apps were migrated to Java. Okay, migrated Java here. See, what are the existing apps? See, that time, 2010, that time, what are the existing apps? Yes, Visual Basic applications. Visual Basic applications available. VC++ applications available. Next, .NET apps available. So by the year 2010, Visual Basic, VC++, .NET applications. Okay, next, C and C++. C and C++ applications available that time. C and C++ apps. Okay. Yes, next, SAP and Oracle ERP applications available. SAP and Oracle apps available. 2010, at that time, these applications available. See, Visual Basic, VC++, and .NET. Yeah, these are from the Microsoft. These are Microsoft technologies. These are Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft technologies. Microsoft technologies. Yes, anyone idea what is disadvantage of Microsoft technologies? Yes, what is disadvantage? Any idea? Disadvantage of Microsoft technologies. Anyone idea? Microsoft company. These are our Microsoft products. What's the disadvantage? Any idea? Yes, guys. Any idea? Any idea? No idea? Okay, I'll tell you. See, disadvantage of Microsoft technologies is, yes, these are Windows OS dependent. Windows OS dependent. So these are Windows OS dependent, OS dependent, OS dependent, OS dependent, OS dependent, Windows OS dependent. These tech Windows OS dependent, Windows OS dependent. But Windows OS is not a secure OS. Windows OS is not a secure OS. Is not a secure OS. is not a secure OS. Yes, there's frequently virus infecting and hacking data. Yes, data hacking, virus and data hacking. Yes, data hacking happens with Windows space. Happens with Windows space. Windows happens with Windows space. Okay. Then which is secure ways? Yes, guys, any idea? Which is secure ways? Yes, operating systems. Which is more secure ways in the market? Tell me, guys. Anyone idea? Which is more secure ways? Which is more secure ways? Yes, more secure ways is, yes, no idea. It's Linux. Linux is a secure ways. Linux is secure ways. It's a secure ways. Yes, no chance of, no chance of, yes, data hacking. No chance of virus and data hacking. Because in Linux, this security concept, like permissions, like read permission, write permission, execute permission, that kind of permissions concept is available. Without permissions, no one can access our data. No one can access our files or folders. No one can access. Read permission, no read permission, no write permission. As others don't have any permissions. Linux is more secure ways. Yes, Linux. See, Linux. See, Linux was released. Yes, released in the year. Yes, in the year 1999. Yes, by the year 2010. By the year 2010. By the year 2010. Later in the market, Linux leader in the market, no doubt. Linux leading ways, security wise, Linux is leading ways. Okay, so to achieve data security, to achieve security without virus, without data hack, to achieve security here, most of the clients, these clients, okay, most of these clients, these Microsoft clients, they thought of changing ways. Microsoft clients, they thought of changing ways. They thought of changing to Linux base. Linux base. To change to Linux base, these technologies will not support on Linux base. No. Then what's a way here? Yes, for that reason, independent of platform. The technology has support independent of platform. So what's a way? Java. That is. Java is alternative for this tech to get this security here. The app has to run on Linux also, but these apps will not run on Linux base. Java is alternative. So here, because of that reason, yes, most of 90% of Microsoft company clients were migrated to Java because of that reason. The security purpose here to run their app on the Linux base, to run the application on Linux base here, yes, 90% of that Microsoft clients were migrated to Java. See, real-time application always running Linux only. No one will use in this ways. Real-time banking applications, every application, banking application, trading applications. Okay, yes, all the applications, almost all, every application running a Linux base. Linux base. Okay, so because of that reason, yes, these applications are migrated to Java. Now C and C++ apps. Let us see what. Why C and C++ applications? Yes, migrated Java can. Yes, C and C++ are disadvantages. Yes, don't have. Yes, don't have C and C++ don't have GA development. That's a problem. This don't have GA development. Don't have GA development. GA means graphical interface means like this. 1 second. Yes, sir. 1 second. Yeah, this form is a GA. Yeah, this kind of forms you cannot develop. Yeah, this kind of forms you cannot develop in C and C++. In Java, very easy. This is JSP. Very easily can develop Java. Yeah, that's the reason C and C++ applications were migrated to Java. Okay, that is disadvantage. Yes, next other applications. Yes, SAP and ERP. Yes. By the year 2010, we have only these applications, only this much of application. We don't have other applications. SAP and Oracle ERP. SAP, SAP and Oracle ERP apps. Yeah, these applications are costly. These are costly. Yes, licensing costly here. Licensing costly. Java is a freeware. Sorry, one second. Let me have some water. Yes, Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Freeware is free of cost. You can see freeware and open. There are two things: freeware and open source. Open source means including source code available. You can download it. Suppose Linux is open source. Linux developed in C language, including all that C programs you can download. Linux. Yes, one second. Linux developed in Java. Sorry, Linux developed in C language. Linux developed in C language. Behind of Linux, all the C programs you can download. That is open source. If you're able to download that source code, also that is called open source. See, how do we develop in Java? How do we develop in Java? That Java programs also you can download. So Hadoop, Linux, both are open source. If you're able to see that source code and able to modify, that is called open source. Okay, open source. Open source. That is called as open source. Open source. But Java is not a open source, just it's a freeware. Java. See, Java JVM developed in C++. That C++ code we cannot see. We cannot download. Behind of Java JDK, there is a C++ code is there. C++ code working. But C++ code you cannot download, you cannot see. Just free of cost, you can see. Just it's a freeware. Java is a freeware. Okay. So using Java, you can develop ERP applications or ERP solutions you can develop. Now our current project is ERP solutions. Our current project is my 19th projects. Okay, is ERP solutions. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning means, one second, let me show that also. Enterprise. Yes, that enterprise, how that enterprise? See, enterprise means large scale industry. Enterprise means large scale business called as enterprise. Large scale business called as enterprise. Yeah, this is enterprise. Okay, this is business. Yes, enterprise, very big industry this is. Like purchasing departments, stores departments. See, yeah, these projects, 19 projects, we are working for, yes, Volkswagen. Volkswagen. Yes, Volkswagen is a manufacturing industry. They need, yes, complete management for this ERP solution. Yes, they have very old app. They have very old app. Now they are upgrading. Yes, all the department they are upgrading. ERP solutions they need. See, ERP, any company ERP management, enterprise resource management here. Purchasing department, stores means raw material storage, stores and warehouses, raw material, manufacturing department, production department, quality control department, costing department, estimating cost of item, marketing and sales department, customers. Okay, next, yes, shipping department, assembling department, HR departments, yes, employee payrolls management here, recruitment process here, next company assets here, bank transactions, accounting department, to various kind of things, right? This is complete. Yes, big industry, large scale industry, we have this much of, yes, this much of departments. Yes, how to manage that management of all of this, nothing but ERP, enterprise resource planning, planning all the activities of all departments. That is ERP. That is called as ERP. Okay. Yes. So ERP solutions. Yes, these are SAP and Oracle provides ERP solutions. That solutions also you can develop in Java. ERP solutions also can develop. But they are costly. So because of this reason, these clients, most of these clients were migrated to Java. because of Java is freeware. That's it. Okay. So by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. Okay. Yes. See, in the year 2010, what happened here? In the year 2010, Java, yes, sorry, not Java, Sunsoft taken over by Oracle Corporation. So Oracle Corporation. See, in the yes, in 90s period, Microsoft was the leader, no doubt. In the 90s period, up to 2005, Microsoft was the leader in the software industry. Up to 2005, Microsoft was the leader. See, here 2005, during that period, 2005, 2006, in that period, Oracle Corporation has taken over many companies. Many companies, yes, Sunsoft. Next, some different companies what they have taken. Yes, main is Sunsoft. Apart from Sunsoft here, JD Edwards, one company, that's ERP solutions. Okay. Next, Siebel, that's also ERP solutions. Like that, many companies. They have taken many companies, taken over. They taken over. Finally, they have become leader. Yes, by the year 2010, Oracle Corporation has become leader in software field. Yes, after after taken over, after taken over by the Oracle Corporation, Oracle, after taken over by Oracle Corp. Yes, see, Sunsoft taken by the Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft, Java from the Sunsoft. Java next one more product, Solaris OS. Like Linux, this is Solaris OS. Solaris and Java. Yes, both were taken over by Oracle Corporation. See, after taken over by the Oracle Corporation, Java has become leader. Yes, Java has become leader in the market here. Java has become leader because publicity and all this. Okay, with Oracle Corporation, many services providing publicity because of whatever it is, got a lot of popularity for Java. Okay, after taken over by the sons of Java has become popular. Okay, right? Yes, see what is present position of Java. See what is present position of Java. See what is the present position. See here, 90% of internet based apps, 90% of internet based apps were developed in Java. Yes, internet based. Yes, like go to meeting, go to training. Yes, next Zoom app. Yes, food delivery apps, online trading applications. Okay, like yes, next stock exchange trading applications, banking applications, mobile applications. Most of the things here, like online banking and all these. Most of the applications were developed in Java only here. Okay, different companies, websites, schools and colleges. See, worldwide, how many companies? Lakhs of companies. Lakhs of companies are there. Means lakhs of companies for internal operations purpose developing application. That is also in Java. Websites developed in Java. Yes, schools and colleges, internal operations, same Java application. Websites, Java application. So lakhs of schools, lakhs of colleges worldwide, lakhs of companies, lakhs of trading applications. Yes, all this. So lakhs of see lakhs of apps, developed in Java. Lakhs of apps developed in Java, right? Java. Okay. Not only internet-based applications here. See, all big data applications. No alternative. Yes, all big data applications. Applications also developed in Java. Yes, developed in Java here. Developed. Yes, since 2010, industry facing big data issues. Top 10,000 companies facing big data issues. Top 10,000 companies like Facebook facing big data issues. Facebook, Google, Gmail, LinkedIn, yes, even Walmart also. Walmart facing big data issues. Okay, Amazon facing big data issues. Flipkart facing big data issues. Here, it's a trading like a stock exchange. New York Stock Exchange, very famous, right? New York, yes, New York City. See here, large scale companies who are having large scale business. Every company will have their office at New York compulsory. It's a prestigious. Worldwide having office at New York is prestigious for the companies. Yes, having yes office at New York is prestigious for the companies here. New York Stock Exchange, like that, many applications. These kind of applications were developed in Java. Lakhs of applications were developed in Java here. So lakhs of applications developed in Java. Yes, to support, see, to support lakhs of apps. Okay, to support lakhs of apps. Yes, how many Java resources required? Java resources required here. That is question. Yes, applications in lakhs. Java resources. Yes, millions of resources. Yes, millions. See, 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. So millions of resources are required here. Millions of resources required. Okay, to support, yes, lakhs of apps, millions of resources required. That's the reason Java has become evergreen field. Why Java is evergreen field here? Reason is this. Yet these lakhs, suppose in future any technology comes here, this much of lakhs of applications has to migrate into a new technology. That is not easy. Yes, clients immediately will not migrate into new application, new technology, because Java is a freeware. See, when the clients are comfortable with Java, free of cost, why they will move to new technology? No chance. Suppose new technology is giving more than Java features, and their expenditure also reducing. If they are able to reduce their expenditure, see features secondary, expenditure. If they are able to reduce their expenditure with new technology, they will plan to migrate into a new technology. Okay, but in future, yes, it will take a lot of time to get the new technology, which is giving better features than Java. Yes, minimum 10 to 15 years minimum required. Now currently don't have any technology which is having more features than Java. Okay, it's evergreen field, long lasting career. So once you choose that Java career, never ending this. Since 20 years I'm traveling Java. No up and downs. Just cool my career. No up and downs in my career. Yes, happily. Yes, spending Linux and Java is very cool. Linux career, Java career. I'm traveling on Linux, Java, Big Data, Hadoop, this area. Very cool. That's it. So this is complete history about Java here. Complete history, current question of Java. Okay. So that's all about all this Java. Okay. Right. That's all about all the Java history and all this. Yes, any doubts? That's all about history. Complete history. Java history. See, lot of things explained, right? Today, yes, from the beginning, Java starting to today. What's happening? What was happening? Java here. Very clearly explains. This is all my experience. See, this kind of explanation, yes, I need not to prepare. I have experience already. So I know that very well. So same thing. Whatever I have the experience, just I have delivered. That's it here. Okay, for me, need not to read Google. Okay, my experience is more than the Google. Okay, even you searching in Google, you can't see this much of topics like this. You can't see history like this. You cannot see like this. Okay. Yes, still any doubts? Yes, guys, any doubts? Just a minute. See, for your batch, already group created. Yes, for our batch 11:45 am, the group created. See, yesterday video shared in that group. Okay, 1 second. Date today, day 1, day 2. Yeah, this is I'm sharing day 2. Yes, Java 11:45. Day 1, day 2 topics. Yes, day 1, day 2 shared. Yes, day 1, day 2 that was shared here. You can go through it here. See, this is yesterday's session already shared. Okay, I think there somebody has watched here. Okay. Yes. So yesterday nothing discussed. You don't worry about it. Yesterday nothing discussed. So yesterday only introduction discussed. Yes, I'll add to group. Okay. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, 8179189123. Yes, please share your details to my WhatsApp number. Yes, your name. Yes, next. Yes, what's the course you are attending here? What's the course? Next, what's the time you are attending here? Yes, next. Your Gmail ID is very, very important. Okay, recordings and software, everything will be shared to your Gmail ID. Please share this information. Yes, take this number. Take this number. I'll add to group. See, here WhatsApp is communication purpose. Very useful. Yes, I'll be communicating with every student. Okay, not only group, here individual communication also there. See, individually communicating Java students. Yes, someone asking some doubts here. Yes, 12:35, 11:37 minutes after starting our class. See, that individual communication, not only group communication, individually also I'm communicating this. Every student I will communicate. Okay. See, generally no trainer will communicate like me. No trainer will communicate like me here. Next, one more thing. Yes, lifetime support. For lifetime support, groups are there. Groups created already. Group 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 5 groups are there. Yes, almost 1,000 members reached. Since last 1.5 year, yes, more than 2 years. Since more than 2 years, I'm taking online classes, but I'm collecting data since last 1.5 year. Last one, more than 1,000 students reached, Java students. All the groups, lifetime supports, like jobs information. Yes, my company jobs information. Any other company jobs information that is sharing. Just like that, I'll be helping students here. Very useful. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. You guys, yes, anyone not shared your information, please share it today. I will add to group. Just I will add to group. Just take this number. I'll wait for 1 minute. Just I'll wait for 2 minutes. Yes, take this number. Yes, yes, you can submit anytime information. You can not now here. Yes, today anytime. Yes, by the evening. Yes, you can submit anytime. Yes, you can submit your details anytime here. Yes, I'll add to group. Yes, watch everything. See here for next 2, 3 classes, I'll share everything in the WhatsApp group. Friday onwards, I'll give the access to drive. From Friday, drive level access. I'll give the drive level access. Yes, you can access drive here. You can watch the videos and you can take the material. Drive level access. Google Drive. I'll share everything to the Google Drive. Drive level access. Now, presently here for the time being, I'm using WhatsApp for the communication purpose. I'm using WhatsApp. Yes, your batch WhatsApp. (11:45). Yes, WhatsApp I'm using for the communication purpose. See, for your batch group also created. Once let me show the not group, sorry, drive also created. Here, this is your batch time. 11:45. This is your batch time. Yesterday video, session 1. Yes, from this I'll share like this. Share to your Gmail ID. Share to your Gmail, right? Something like payment11@gmail.com. Sharing to your Gmail ID like this. Yes, from this is from Friday. From Friday, I'll leave that. Yes, the drive access. Drive access. Now, for the time being, just I'm using WhatsApp number. Take it. Yes, okay, fine. I think everyone taken WhatsApp number. Everyone taken. Fine. So day 2. This is day 2 topic. Okay. Yes. Yes. Tomorrow. Yes. 1 second. Till Saturday. Saturday. Same link. Same link. Okay. Next. Yes. Same time. Till end of the batch. Same time. Same time. Till end of the batch. Same time till end of the batch. Till Saturday. Same link here. Yes. Monday maybe link changes. I'll share you that link. Okay. So if any link changes, I'll share to your Gmail ID. Till Saturday, same link. Same time. Okay, till end of the batch. 11:45. That 11:45. Okay, that's all. Still any guys? Any doubts? Yes, any doubts? Anyone have the doubts? Yes, okay. Tomorrow topic is features Java features. So today Java history discussed. Complete Java overview. That history discussed here. History discussed. Tomorrow, yes, we'll start with Java features like independent platform, portability, group language, scalability, and security. These features we'll be discussing tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, yeah, exactly 1.5 hour class today. Yeah, same like every day 11:45 to 1:15, no doubt. That's all. Shall we wind up for today? Yes, you guys are able to understand my way of explanation. Are you able to understand class clearly? I hope everyone you understanding clearly. Okay. I hope everyone you understanding clearly. Yes, I'll go slowly. Don't worry. Like a spoon feeding, I'll go very slowly and interesting as my class are very interesting, no doubt. Yeah. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you guys. Yes. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.